Parents often find introducing solid foods a really exciting time and a fantastic milestone for their baby. But as exciting as it is, it can also be very challenging and a confusing time. And with so much conflicting information, parents really often don't know what to do for the best.
At the beginning, I was a little bit worried. I didn't know how he would manage and things like that. But after that, I would just relax and enjoy every meal with him because he really likes it, and I'm so happy when he's happy.
I think it's really important for parents to know and understand that their baby's gut and their digestive system is immature and it's not fully developed. So waiting until the baby is about 6 months old will help reduce their likelihood of getting allergies, becoming overweight, and also getting tummy upsets.
There are several signs that your baby will give you to let you know that they are ready. They will begin to sit unsupportedly in a high chair. They will start grabbing toys and other objects, placing them to the mouth. This is called hand-eye coordination. And they will also move food around the mouth and be able to swallow and not push it back up with their tongue.
We started with one meal per day, and I chose to start with vegetables, and I started with carrot, and he was a little bit curious at the beginning, but after that he started to enjoy the food. I gave him puree food, but also the finger food to feel the different texture.
From around 6 months, you want to start offering some soft cooked vegetables such as potatoes, carrots. You might also want to introduce some soft bananas, some peaches, some stewed apple. Once your baby is used to the taste of the fruit and the vegetables, you want to move on to then offering some soft cooked meats, rice, lentils, and also hard-boiled eggs as well. And also babies will really enjoy exploring with finger foods such as toast and breadsticks.
So thinking about meal times, it's not just about the food, it's about family spending time together. So ideally turn off anything that would distract your baby, TV, tablets, phones, and just eat together, spend time together, talking together. Babies will pick up so many other skills from that time. So we want parents to know that the health visiting service is there to support them through the process of introducing solid foods. So if parents have got any worries or concerns, if they feel they want to chat about weaning, or if they feel their baby is ready to wean, if your baby was born prematurely, just ring your health visitor and she will be able to walk you through that process. So there are some excellent resources for parents to access at home. You've got the Every Child Wales website and also First Steps Nutrition.